This is Mick. Around 4 months ago, his cell phone suddenly slipped down from his hand and its glass cracked instantly. He became very anxious and looked for local stores to fix the cracked glass on his phone promptly. One day while Mick was surfing the web, he came across iTech Xpress, prominently displayed on Google. He discovered that it is an authorized repair store near his area. At that time, Mick browsed itechexpressinc.com as he was curious about them. He learned that they offer factory-grade repair service at an affordable price for all types of phone-related issues. Additionally, their experts always try to return any device such as iPhone, laptop, smartphone, etc. quickly. Mick called their experts at 626-777-4747 as he found them helpful for the required service. Finally, he was ecstatic after getting their same-day and affordable repair service for his cell phone. If you are also searching for a same-day repair solution for your smartphone, contact iTech Xpress now.